sampo tarina le manga ki cho medak poi changop kole sel chu tumta chi shuni tia legi lungpu dugi chap chap se to su tu se dugi rimda doya pule ka subi pe to sumbe jiktin zamuling tinalo yubi toarik dugi simchen kara chachi samni pante chogop ti jiktin kyung kiran shinchi digi dukablu hepta chu jem imbe kho genge me nga chup ime sewegi ewa kane me ba rangi simdi gyum sumchi da ludi khangkim zume soso khate de join diya maze ngachi jiktin phelpa di pharaja thana lam gewe shingin dusuya shani du chetam nalaya sabi thama zoni da zombi thama deni se dosu tato ngachi sugi kauchi de tubebe juno noche so thana khapki che zumji ya bajuni gi rawami bi diya maze rangi gawi gi ninjo da sha sawe gi pham pincha to gosa khayara jabkha panja de ranjam chibe jogobi pena panchina lo kami chi phija bachin kami di din kadim chi duni na kaya la misu dia ken lung de phuji kami di shatan zumbe ngachire mi che dia ani zum choni imle shin lu ne ba ken me se shuni dia do de cha chere bale si sun mi te te kai tinda da jowi ke chi khala ta da chu jowi chero nam khalo ra de reza ba chu ta bu nyu juk do se sun do zum chir ten thai se ba holu se ba barmi se ba se ba sum ki che gara mi tak pai pena tenkai dause dau gap gup chup na gi samozum do disue kini da shin su pena chapta da dega su da chothe di beni degi machi do disu gi chedia namkhai lozum bebe wajin risata na le babi chuti joba khama ta bob jotosum chi imle cho mita padi yane yandu komkubin di beni degi dato delwa ge da joba chu chame gi mi le tin thobi namdelu singen cha da nyoje sulo lonje de dilu shu the di deni member rangi mi si di denda demchi be zoni gi thonu tambara rangi sim de tigup de keche dia rangi sim de tu de sampu lamlu chu sup dawchi be wachin rangi mi si di denda demchi be zosumi jumsin di bole de ngachi sui la kachi zum chira beru le jute lu ishe ke de shen lu ne wa ke ni sim dia lung na le ne bi de bu dungel da phe bi de bu dewa se to su digi ko le shum be ha ko shim na le chewa mi tak ba de ya le ya du te na si shuni ka jin che
Hello everyone, today I'm going to share some thoughts on impermanence of life, Chua Mitakpa. Seeing this threefold world as a fleeting illusion, you have left this life's concern behind like spittle in the dust. Accepting all hardships, you have followed in the footsteps of Master of old. As all of us understand the uncertainty of life, particularly because of the truth of inevitability of death, once born in this mortal world, we are sure to die. Yet we hardly can predict the time, the place, with what incident and for what reason we shall die. Only a handful of things in life are favorable of living, while many are intimidatingly unpleasant. Therefore, the Master Arya Deva puts it as causes of death are numerous, causes of life are few, and even they may become the causes of death. The factors that can kill us are many, including fire, water, precipice, scavengers, and wild beasts, to name a few, but factors that can enhance our living are too little. For this reason, let us individually become acutely aware of impermanence of lives we live. Let us therefore meditate single-mindedly on the truth of death as a reminder all the time while standing up, sitting, lying down, and in fact along with all the daily activities ahead of us. Nothing is permanent in this samsara. Our lifespan is like that of a lamp in a windy storm. Our family, friends, teachers, and siblings are all the same. Everybody must follow the same fate of the lamp. Buddha's words on impermanence as follows. Whatever is born is impermanent and is bound to die. Whatever is stored up is impermanent and is bound to run out. Whatever comes together is impermanent and bound to come apart. Whatever is built is impermanent and is bound to collapse. So also friendship and enmity, fortune and sorrow, good and evil, all the thoughts that run through our mind, everything is constantly changing. Base your mind on Dharma, base your Dharma on a humble life, base your humble life on the thought of death, base your death on an empty, barren hollow. It's really difficult to obtain this precious jewel of human life, as there are a handful of precious humans and we all are moving towards our time of death. Everybody needs to avoid demerits like having drugs, alcohol, smoking, etc., as we are all the believers of the Dharma. Meditate single-mindedly on impermanence until you reach the state of Buddhahood. For that great Buddha said, to meditate persistently on impermanence is to make offerings to all Buddhas. To meditate persistently on impermanence is to rescue from the sufferings by all the Buddhas. To meditate persistently on impermanence is to blessed by all the Buddhas. Of all footprints, elephants are outstanding. Just so of all subjects of meditate for our followers of Buddha, the idea of impermanence is unsurpassed. Lastly, I quote, impermanence is everywhere. Yet I still think things will last. I've reached the gates of old age, yet I still pretend I'm young. Bless me and misguided beings like me that we may